We're inside the mall. They're still closed. We're going to the BT21 store. Harder coffee. Yeah. Ikaw, bunsa. Grabe pag siya. We're going to the big store. Look at that. Oh, Disney. Oh, this is the whole thing. Eto na pala, Aubrey. We're walking. Look at that.
No, it's rain. I know that sounds terrible, but fuck.
There's a construction. Aubrey. Ay, no. Ah, the munchkin.
Ja, Mann. Grüß der Willis.
What is this? Where's the line? Ayan, ang haba na ng linya. We're going to the line first.
Like last year.
Oh, say hi. Nana, naka-video kayo. We're in the line, long line. We have to go to the line, friends. Ah, ate. One more. Tayong tatlo, wala tayong tatlo. Ate, one more time, tatlo. Sige na.
It's dark. You have to adjust the lighting.
Ayan. Lumaitin eh.